Hey everyone! So, is Notepad++ not saving your files? Maybe you click save and nothing happens, or you get an error message. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially if you're working on code or important documents. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Notepad++ file not saving problem in 2026, and most of these fixes only take a few minutes. First, check if you have permission to edit the file. If the file is read-only or stored in a protected folder, Notepad++ won't be able to save changes. Next, try running Notepad++ as an administrator. Right-click the application icon and select Run as Administrator. This gives the program permission to save files in restricted locations. If it still won't save, try saving the file to a different folder, like your desktop or documents. Sometimes folder permissions or syncing issues prevent saving in certain directories. Make sure your drive has enough free space. If your disk is full, Notepad++ can't save new or updated files. Sometimes plugins or backup tools interfere with saving files. Try disabling recently added plugins or automatic backup features, then save again. Incorrect file encoding can prevent saving. Go to the encoding menu and select the correct encoding for your file. If none of the above works, reinstall Notepad++. Uninstall the app, download the latest version, and install it again. This often fixes persistent saving issues. And that's it. Most Notepad++ file saving problems can be fixed by checking permissions, running the app as administrator, or reinstalling the program. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.